Welcome back. In today's video we're going to be working on this Union Pacific locomotive, which is in most of my videos. It doesn't have any problems. I'm just going to oil it. And yes, this is in a sriracha hot sauce container, but it's oil. So, take it apart. I don't have anything to put it on. You may also notice I'm left-handed. Apparently this isn't a Bachmann either. It's an AHM locomotive. Which probably explains why it's running so much better. Truck's off just by unscrewing this part and taking off the weight, and then prying up on these little truck covers. And yes, the coupling went off, and no, it's not going to have another coupling. Would have liked to change the sides on this, but I'm just going to have to run it with one coupling from now on. So I'm going to remove the wheels. This is really dirty. So I'm going to clean everything. I think first I'll go with get my Q-tip soaked. I'm gonna clean out this truck cover here first using 70% alcohol just to clean this. Quite a bit of grease came off. You should get the other side. So yeah, just cleaning the trucks, got this much grease off. I'm gonna need another Q-tip to clean off the contacts and wheels. First, I think I'll get the wheels. That's it clean. We just pulled off a chunk of grease. I think they really over lubricated these engines. I've seen quite a few videos of people working on these. All of them basically have the same problem. Another piece of grease on this truck. Yeah, this is just coated in too much grease. This is going to take a lot of Q-tips to clean. Also, no expert on working on these, so I might make a couple mistakes. If someone in the comments could correct me on some of these things, that would be very much appreciated. because I might have bought a lot with new trains. That will be one of the next few videos out. It'll be coming on Tuesday. Filming this on May 20th. It'll be coming on May 26th. So yeah, my upload schedule is really far ahead, since this will probably be up June 12th. Okay, now that's done. Now it's time to clean out the contacts and the trucks of this locomotive. It's also going to be a bit longer of a video. I might speed up some of it. That much dirt just came off on a regular cleaning. This might actually have the same original lubricant that went in it. I'm not sure if my great uncle, whose train this actually was, did any sort of lubrication to this train. I'm not going to take the whole thing apart. I'm just going to drop a little bit of oil in there to get most of this grease cleaned out. It's way too much grease they put in there. Pretty sure this was factory, because I've seen quite a few other engines with the same problem. Let's get the other side of the contacts here. Just gonna clean around the truck because there's a little more grease and stuff on there. Yeah, about that lot I bought. It is 2 locomotives and 4 pieces of rolling stock. It will be coming out in a near video. I spent $23 on it, which is pretty good. Those locomotives are also all going to have their own videos of getting cleaned up. Just turn the gears a little bit so I can get to more spots on them. Yeah, I'm gonna need another Q-tip. This is a really dirty engine. Ah, that one fell in. Don't know how that's going to come out, but oh well. Got the insides clean. Now I've just got to clean the contacts. And I'll put the whole locomotive back together after I oil it, of course. I almost just got sprayed in the face with rubbing alcohol. Luckily I didn't. Now we're gonna go on one more Q-tip. Clean that other contact. Then I'll add a little bit of oil, spin the gears around. There we go. We've got it all cleaned up. Now that the first truck has had its chance to dry, I'm going to put in some of the oil. Don't want much, just want a little bit. Might have been a bit much. There, that's good. Got the whole train oiled. Now I'm going to just move that oil around a little bit. Okay, good, we got that moved around. Now I'm going to wash my hands and start to reassemble it. Now that I have this Union Pacific AHM, which I thought was a Bachmann, oiled and cleaned, I put it up on this strip of track. It's actually part of my layout. I can take it apart and store it. Now, let's see if it runs any better. Seems to actually run much quieter now.